guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious macaroni and corned beef. To get started, I have some Elbows macaroni here, and I'll be using some bell peppers, onions, some mixed vegetables, of course the corned beef. I have some tomato sauce, Chief Chinese sauce. If you can't find that, you could use Hoisin sauce. That's the closest to it. I have some green onions, garlic, and I'll be using my seasonings here, which I will link in the description box. To a pot of boiling water, I will add some salt. We'll add the macaroni noodles, mix well, and allow to boil until nice and tender. To a preheated skillet, I did add some oil, and now we'll add our aromatics. We'll add the onions, peppers, and the garlic. Mix well and allow to go for about 2 minutes. Next, you want to add the corned beef, and you want to break it down until it comes apart. Then we'll allow it to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, you want to go in with the tomato sauce as well as the Chief's Chinese sauce. You want to give it a good mix and allow everything to be nicely combined. Next, you want to add your mixed vegetables as well as the seasoning. Give it a good mix, make sure it's nicely combined, and then we'll go in with the macaroni noodles. Now you want to add the macaroni noodles, give it a good toss, make sure that it's well coated with the corned beef. If you want to stretch this, you can add more macaroni to it, but I like mine nice and rich. I like to taste the corned beef in there, so this is ideal for me. And that's it. Lastly, you want to garnish with your fresh green onions and parsley and get ready to plate up. This is a quick and easy dinner idea, and if you're Caribbean or you're Guyanese, you will definitely enjoy this. The kids will love it, trust me. And here you have it, macaroni and corned beef. It is perfect for a weeknight dinner. Like I said, your kids will enjoy it. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.